In this session we are going to discuss about document object model. The document object model DOM is a platform independent and language neutral interface that will allow programmers and scripts to dynamically access and update the content, structure and style of the document. The DOM details the characteristic properties of each element of a web page, thereby detailing how we might manipulate these components and in turn manipulate the page. Document object model is not a part of scripting language. The DOM stands alone, able to be interfaced with any programming language designed to do so. The W3C DOM is the recommended standard to be exposed by each browser. Microsoft Internet Explorer and Netscape do not share the same DOM. Both the Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator DOMs break down web pages into roughly 4 types of components: objects, properties, events, and methods. Objects are container which reflects a particular element of a page. Objects contain the properties and methods which apply to that element. For example, the submit but object. Then coming to the properties. Properties are the characteristics of an object. For example, the document object possesses a BZ color property which reflects the background color of the page. Using a programming language, for example JavaScript, you may via this property read or modify the background color of a page. Methods. A method typically executes an action which acts upon the object by which it is owned. For example, alert. Then coming to the events. Events are used to trap actions related to its owning object. Typically, these actions are caused by the user. For example, when the user clicks on a submit button, some event will occur. Then coming to the Netscape DOM. Netscape DOM begins at the window object. Other objects are below the window object in the hierarchy. There is an exception for the navigator object. It is a separate object which provides information about the browser version. It is a beer object of window rather than a child. The following is the structure of the Netscape DOM. Window object is present at the top of the architecture. The next level contains frame object, document object, location and history objects. Then the next level of the document object are layer object, link, image, area, anchor, applet, plugin, form objects. Again, the form object contains text area, text, file upload, password, hidden, submit, reset, radio, checkbox, button, select, and option objects. Then navigator is a separate object which contains information about the version of the Explorer browser. Then coming to the Microsoft DOM. Microsoft DOM indexes an additional topic called as collections. A collection is an array-based object. The observable differences between the two is the syntax. Netscape supports a tree-like hierarchical syntax like this: document dot layers of top layer dot document dot layers of sublayer dot document dot layers of bottom layer dot left. On the other hand, Internet Explorer exposes all HTML objects as a flat collection and lets you modify the style object like this: bottom dot style dot left. So using Microsoft DOM, this statement is sufficient here.